How's it going, everyone? This is an actually interesting opportunity of a penny stock that I'm looking into, and I told you guys I'm looking for some stricter opportunities. Like I'm looking for low K value, and a couple people mentioned this in the Discord, and this is why it's great to be a part of a community that looks for similar patterns like this. Because I would have never saw this unless someone mentioned it, and wow, do I absolutely love this penny stock right now. So RNAS is a biotech, as you can see. So they can have massive dumps, but they also can have massive pumps too. You see that all the EMAs are above the price action. You have the EMA 5 is the purple, and that's what I'm going to really focus on primarily. And basically what this means is price will come back to those EMAs, but you can most likely see a rejection. We don't know which EMA is going to come back to, but we know to the very least the EMA 5 will go get hit first, and then maybe the 10. I don't see us hitting the 20 anytime soon. But just some of the things that I've been seeing here. Massive EMA 5 time distance, guys. If you guys know my strategy, price always reverts back to the mean. So anything that don't touch the EMA 5 and 7 daily candles is considered long. There is no gaps in this chart. No gaps that I see that could make this even delayed more. As you can see, it's just natural price action going down. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 daily candles not touching the EMA 5. And then my next thing is like, how much gain can I potentially get to this EMA 5? From this body of a candle where it closed to the EMA 5, you're looking at a 26%. Not too bad. And that's very conservative, and we know price is going to come back to that. You can see from this little candle, from this lows to this, it went up 26%, and then you can see if it gets kind of close, it could act as rejection. So I really like this setup. Now, is the volume absolutely massive? No. I think this is a hidden gem before everyone else finds it. 949,000. We have hit occasionally a million volume here. 1,700,000, 400,000, 1 million. So I think once it starts hitting the scanners, then it will start get going. But what I really like about this setup is I try to look for more volume. One of my biggest plays, like a lot of the plays that I see go up massive, are going to be the ones that hit this lower counter channel with massive volume. But with this time distance not touching the CMA 5, I can't like just deny this one, because this thing could easily make a nice pump because of one, the KDJ. If you look at this stochastic oscillator, put it on your chart, anything that is under 2 is extremely oversold. All right, we don't just base our trades based on that, but it's just really rare to have a 1.68. That's just really rare. And so I got to take advantage of that. And so the next thing is like, how many EMA 5 time distance do we have? And we have 10 daily candles. That's really long, not having a gap. And then now it's just accumulation zone. Now it's just like accumulate properly, and you'll be totally fine. Don't just put all your money in one ad. That way, if it does go down on Monday, you're not like freaking out. You're like, oh, that just means more opportunity, more gain. That's how I look at it. Have a max amount you want to put in it. Accumulate once a day. Don't just add every penny that this thing goes down. But do keep in mind, though, this is setting up for a massive move. I love it that there's no gaps. I love it that it's, we were just recently at, look at this. This thing was chugging away. We're at $16 right over here. We're back at $1.51. This thing has dropped dramatically. So definitely keep that in mind. I don't see anything like really concerning on the news sector. So I think this thing could get going really fast. So this is if you understand, like trading my system for a while, this is a high value alert. Easy 10-20% gain. That EMA 5 gives you about 30%. A lot of these are going to spike pre-market and after hours, and they can give way higher than those. I mean, if we go to the EMA 10, which is the next target, that's 100% gain. So very nice opportunity there. If you guys want to join the Discord, you guys are going to love it. Get sacked in here. I think you guys are going to love this system. If you're new, this is literally how I trade bottom reversals, where we don't get in early, where a lot of people, retail traders, try to get in on those big first red candles. We look for the time distance, because that's where price consolidates. That's where you're not essentially catching a falling knife, low K value, and all that adds up to a nice reversal type setup. It's impossible to get the exact bottom. That's why I say do my accumulation rolls. Have a 3 to 4 ads that you're available to do. Usually I buy, one time a day, and then, just spread them out. That way, you're good for it. But this is a really nice stock, guys. Arnaz, I'm definitely putting this one on high alert. I'll let you guys know when I get in the Discord. But if you want to join the Discord, click the link down below in YouTube comments below, and in the description, it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to become a member, please read how to subscribe. It gives you a very basic way to doing it. But if you just hit day trade alerts right here, you get access to everything. Literally swing trades and day trades for an all-time low cost that I'm running a promotion on that I think everyone can take advantage of. Literally just get your feet wet if you like this strategy for 12 bucks a month. And if you thought this video was helpful and you thought you're like, yeah, that's really easy to understand, more eyes the better. Obviously, we have a massive community where we can find these. And like, for example, a lot of people in the Discord played soon. Look at this massive setup here. This time we're using the lower Keltner channel, using time distance away from the EMA5. And look at this. We touched the 10. And then the key factors of this trade was their 65 million volume right here. Massive volume, which was an A plus setup. Now, Arnaz is an A setup. Is it like my absolutely most favorite? No, because it's not at the Keltner. But this one can make really good money. So don't keep your eyes off of it. I mean, K value of 1.68 is extremely rare. You won't see that often, guys. Easy 10 to 20% gains very soon. And then trail and stop it once you make those gains. But click day trade alerts, and it'll ask you to subscribe. You get access to everything. You're going to get my swing trade alerts, day trade alerts. I'll show you guys how to do all this stuff. Day trading education, swing trading education. Most importantly, live streams. Join in the live stream. I'll have a link right here where you can follow, and you'll get notified when I go live every day. And if you need any questions, I can answer them there. And I also do one-on-one coaching. So if you subscribe, do it on your computer to avoid the iOS fee. And if you're not from the US, it might charge you a little extra for currency exchange rates, but you're going to love it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Share this to your friends, stock twits or other social medias, as I really think this is going to make a monster move. It's a biotech. They're known for big spikes. Charts extremely bottomed out and is ready for a move up. So we'll see what happens, guys. See you in the next video.